What's up, everybody? So we're here at Gingerman Raceway. No?
Come on, Dad, you sleep too late.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
go.
Oh, okay, alright, let's go. Today we're here for Gridlife Midwest. I'm going to drive this Falken Tire S15. It was actually my comp car in 2007, which was 13 years ago. Even before, this car was owned by S-chassies Japan. And so many other drivers driven this car, and now Falken Tire's demo vehicle. It's pretty cool. Just finished the first session. The S15 runs great. Not as fast as our comp car, but it's good enough to have a good time. Oh, what is that? So second session was rain, but still we had a good time. It's really hard to push for me because I'm driving Falken Tire's car, not my own, you know, put any damage. Night shift drift. It's dark as fuck.
So we're at the beach at South Haven, and it looks like straight up an ocean beach. Like
Exactly, that's what it is.
it smells like salt water to me.
I don't want to get my shoes wet. I'm out. Oh, you guys going? God damn it. Damn, it's like an ocean, but it's a lake.
I bet you I can make it. I bet I could.
Day 2 of Gridlife is started. It's kind of late, almost 3 p.m. What are you gonna do?
Fucking kill it?
Fucking kill it.
Yeah, gonna kill it.
Alright.
What about you?
Try to kill it too.
Try to kill it too.
I guess another rain session, which is gonna be sketchy, but it's fun. So Gridlife is for us just a demo, so we're not competing, but we are just driving with other drivers and do tandem and kind of try to show the excitement of drifting for the crowd. So it is really fun event. I broke the car again. Oh.
What a dick.
Didn't mean to. So unfortunately my car is broken. The clutch is gone. So today I'm gonna just try to ride one of the cars. We'll see. The rain's super hard right now. I'm gonna have the master! Yay!
Let's get it, Dog Zero.
What a ripper! That was super fun to ride with Matt. His car is so good, so smooth, so fast. But more than anything, he was driving so good. He's, I can tell he was super comfortable with the car. So, good job, man. Group photo time. How the weekend goes?
Not so bad. We're all
Right?
wet. My shoes are wet. My socks are wet.
But man, overall it was a great time, right? Driving, hanging out, and you know, I don't get to hang out with you guys like outside of the track that often,
super
so
fun.
it was great. And fucking, your ride was so ripper,
Ooh, I'm glad you went for a ride with me, Dog.
and you're the ripper too. Great driving, guys.
Thank you. Yeah, everybody. Solid.
You gonna buy a
ride.
Corvette now?
Get a bed, dude.
Maybe.
Get a bed, dude.
Your BRC's a little bruised up, man.
So does yours. All right, thanks for the good time, guys.